Woo! Sexy! But you're sexy.
No, I'm ugly.
Yes, you are. You're sexy. So is the refrigerator. Sexy. Like you. Ah! Look at that sexy face. Woo! Yeah! Take it off! Woo! Squidgy rum bum. Hello?
I use their paint because
no.
they coordinate colors online. I ordered these samples online from home and they mailed them to my front door.
Bobby, do Shaquille O'Neal.
What?
Do Shaquille O'Neal.
You need Shaquille O'Neal.
Like, you know how you do it? Shaquille O'Neal. Do it.
Number 32, Shaquille O'Neal.
Bobby, do Donald Duck.
I don't know.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Yes, you do.
So what?
Don't look. Unless your own kids.
I don't like
It's better than when I try. Oh wait.
Let's put your bed. Go back.
Okay.
Did you ever put one new one on? No.
No.
Put that one.
Very sexy. Look how sexy he puts the blanket in the basket. Sexy so fun.
Oh my God, Chrissy, you're gay?
No, you are. Go away, fat bitch. Go away. You better run, fat ass.
Oof.
Cause I'm the Cookie Monster. You're the Cookie Monster?
I did a Cookie Monster once, but he died.
Woo!
No,
Cookie Monster. Why stop poking my belly? Ah! Stop it! No, you can't poke her, you fat ass. Bye! Say bye!
Poke!
Say bye. Bye.